Hi, I'm Gary Keller, and I'm bold. In a competitive world of real estate, success demands more than just dedication and hard work. It requires a bold approach, skills, and a mindset that sets you apart from the rest. I want to welcome you to Bold, the ultimate real estate productivity program designed to help you unleash your full potential and take your career to new heights. In Bold, you'll get access to industry-leading strategies, techniques, and tools that will help you take more listings, close more deals, maximize your profits, and even elevate your business. Bold isn't just another class. It's a transformational experience that empowers you to break through barriers and achieve extraordinary results. In Bold, you'll be immersed in hands-on activities, learn conversations that get you results, and track the numbers that drive your business. This isn't about giving you more knowledge. It's about giving you actionable strategies that produce real results. If you're ready, I know where I'd be. Sign up for a Bold near you today.